Hello and welcome all of you to my channel. Today's grammar topic is preposition. There will be multiple choice question and each question will carry 1 mark. So all the question, and also one more thing, all the question will be in the form of fill in the blank. So let's start solving the question together. The first question is, the monkey climbed dash the tree very quickly. Now which word should I put over here? Options are across, into, up, under. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Take your time, go through your sentence and choose your correct option. It is option C, up. The monkey climbed up the tree quickly. Okay? Let's say it together. The monkey climbed up the tree very quickly. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, my pencil rolled dash the table and fell down. Which word should I put over here? Options are on, over, into, off. These are the 4 options. Now quickly tell me which option is correct out of these 4 options. Is it option A, is it B, is it C or is it D? Which one is it? Okay, those who are saying option D off, they're absolutely right. Well done. Okay, now let's read the sentence together. My pencil rolled off the table and fell down. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, there is a big mirror hanging dash the wall. Which word should I put over here? Options are in, over, on, behind. These are the 4 options, but which one is correct? Can you find the correct option out of these 4 options? Let's see who will do it faster. If your answer is option C, on, you're absolutely right. Well done. There's a big mirror hanging on the wall. Okay, let's say the sentence together. There is a big mirror hanging on the wall. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, she walked slowly dash the river, enjoying the view. Which word should I put over here? Options are behind, along, into, under. These are the 4 options, but which one is correct? If your answer is option B, along, you're absolutely right. Well done. And don't forget to give yourself 1 mark because each question carries 1 mark. Okay, now let's read the sentence together. She walked slowly along the river, enjoying the view. Okay, next question. Question number 5. The bird flew dash the window and out again. Which word should I fill over here? Options are through, across, above, beside. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Is option A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or D is correct? Which one is correct option? It is option A, through. Let me put it over here so that we can complete the sentence, right? Okay, now the sentence is complete. Let's read it together. The bird flew through the window and out again. Okay, now before I move on to the next question, which is question number 6, I have a tiny task for you. Mention in the comment section below which is your favorite English grammar topic. I would love to know. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 says, my dog hit dash the sofa when he heard thunder. Which word should I put over here? Options are over, beside, under, above. These are the 4 options, but which one is correct? Go through your sentence once again, go through your option. I'm sure you'll be able to find the correct option. And the correct option is option C, under. Let me put it over here for you so that our sentence will get completed. Okay, all done. Let's read it together. My dog hid under the sofa when he heard thunder. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, the train went dash the tunnel and came out on the other side. Which word should I put in this blank? Options are below, behind, through, next to. These are the 4 options. Now quickly identify which word should I put in this blank to complete the sentence. It is option C, through. Let me put it over here. Okay, done. Now let's read the sentence together. The train went through the tunnel and came out on the other side. Okay, and if you got this answer correct, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark and keep counting your marks. Question number 8. Rani kept her book dash her school bag neatly. Which word should I put over here? Options are over, into, around, across. These are the 4 options, but which one is correct? Quickly identify the correct option and let me know your correct option. It is option B, Rani. Let me put it over here. Okay, all done. Let's read the sentence together. Rani kept her books into her school bag neatly. Okay? Okay, question number 9. Question number 9 is, the children were sitting dash the tree for shade. Which word should I put over here? Options are on, under, behind, in. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Those who are saying option B are absolutely right. It is under. Let me put it over here. And now we can repeat the sentence together. The children were sitting under the tree for shade. Okay? So we have reached the last question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is, replace the painting dash the sofa to decorate the room. Options are behind, beside, under, across. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Okay, before I tell you the answer of this question, if you find my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 10. Coming back to the question, this is the fill in the blank. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? And the correct option is option A. Okay. Let's read it together. He placed the painting behind the sofa to decorate the room. Okay, it could also be beside, but behind is the most appropriate answer. Okay, with that we come to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning all of you.